The bridge span is approximately 765 millimeters. We put the bridge on the scale, showing that it doesn't touch any of the ground. You can see that it's 737 grams. Bridge has a height, its highest point in the middle. We'll just hook that on there. Approximately 165 millimeters top width. Around 75 and a bottom width. That hooked on there of 110. The spaghetti bridge made is a variation of a Howe truss bridge with the trusses coming out rather than going towards the central point, which in like a Pratt bridge. On the bottom sort of zigzags across, but we've got this one member here that's stable in the middle. And these cross sections are the opposite of the ones on the top, with also the inclusion of that bit there. So that's the variation that I've put in, is they're supposed to go diagonal and keep that pattern going, but I decided against that with that little bit there. Using heaps of spaghetti, elastic bands and glue from just a small glue gun from Officeworks, I was able to create each member. I slowly figured it out more and more as I went along. Started with measuring out how many I needed in each member, starting with the bottom ones, and then wrapped 2 elastic bands either side and put glue in the middle before putting and connecting the members together. Started at the bottom with 3 long spaghetti members, thick. I think they're about 30 or 40, not quite sure. I'll have to check that. But I put one there, one there, one there, all connected them up and did the same for the other side. Next, I did the vertical members, again with the same strategy as I stated before. Same for the other side, then did the top members, then these inner diagonal ones for this side and the other side, then did the end diagonal members, and then starting with the top, I did outer, 2 inners, and then that middle member there, and then the exact same pattern for the bottom, and that put my whole design together. In reflection, I wish I spent more time with the consistency of the shape of the design, measuring out each member equally and using the right amount of glue rather than having some joints have loads more glue than others. But I think if I were to redo this entire thing, I would have chosen a different design. I would have looked at maybe paddle pop sticks instead of spaghetti. Just would have saved me more time and less chance of stuffing it up. I would have liked to look at cable stayed bridges, or even a arch bridge maybe.